this chart I found, which is really cool. I thought, can you see that, Ray?
I can.
It's a Bitcoin macro assets year-to-date returns. So these are the returns you got from Bitcoin, ETH, the S&P 500, gold, and bonds.
Wow.
I think that, Doctor, if you take a look at those lower lines, those other ones on the bottom look flatlined and dead, don't they?
They look dead, man.
Let's breathe some life into those.
Yeah, I don't know what you're going to do with the S&P 500 gold and bonds, but those are pretty flat returns.
ETH outperformed Bitcoin, huh? And I can tell you, Wrap PE, our coin, has outperformed ETH. There you go.
Right. So those are beautiful things. We're wrapped around ETH, which is great, and then Bitcoin, which everybody is on the tip of everybody's tongue, is just is right up there, 71%. And ETH being 108. So I found that chart and I just thought that was just an amazing return.
Right.
From
well, I'm having a giggle because they don't only go flat, they dip below flat.
Yep. Yeah, what is that? Gold is negative 8%.
Gold and bonds.
And bonds are lower as well. So yeah, that does happen. So those are worse than flatline.
Yeah, that's the old world, man. That's the old world there.
That's right. That's right. So this is why everybody's talking about it now.
Yep.
That was just, I thought that was a very exciting chart to start the show with.